Chinese. My second
Okay.
language is English, but I think I'm pretty fluent, good at English. So I hope it will help me learn French a little bit
Okay.
easier than without knowing English at all. So uh, I I learned French in college like 30 years ago. I'm
Mm-hmm.
old. Yeah, 30 years ago I learned French. But I forgot all of it because you don't use it
Okay.
for 30 years. I do remember the gender, the conjugation, and there are different tenses, and some vocabulary, some words are similar to English. You can kind of guess even if you don't know, but there are a lot of
Yeah.
similar verbs that you really have to memorize. I remember kind of those things. Um, and in the past 2 weeks, 2 to 3, I forgot weeks. Um, I picked it up back again. I'm trying to learn, review, like learn new things. Well, I will say learn new things because I forgot everything.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I got some basics, like the letter combinations, how they should sound in words. Uh, and,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm trying to memorize words as many as I can. And the grammar, I'm practicing and reading like the present, immediate future, immediate past, and passé composé, and imparfait, imparfait.
Parfait. Uh-huh. Okay.
But
Okay.
but then I forgot. I said, oh wait, which one is this again? Now let me check. Let me check. Ah, okay. So I'm practicing and learning, and I love it. Um,
Okay.
so I signed up for this like fast track condensed program
Okay.
because now I have a goal. I want to obtain that Canadian PR permanent residence. So I have
Mm-hmm.
to being once I become bilingual, I'll have an advantage in that. So I
Mm-hmm.
haven't taken the English test, but I think I'll score pretty high. And then the French, if I can score high, and then that will give me a huge advantage in
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
going to, yeah, because I am an actuary and data scientist. So I have work experience in the STEM field. So and that's why I want to do.
Okay. Okay, I understand. Okay, that's
You.
a great goal. But I want to ask, you say that you learned French a long time ago. So was it mostly grammatically? Can you speak? Like, how is your speaking part? Because you remember the grammar, vocabulary, and that
Uh,
is academically. What about the speaking part?
Very poor. I didn't like really learn to speak very little, and it was just grammar driven, like
Yeah.
translate, and do conjugation. Okay, that's it. And
Yes.
didn't really speak. Well, if I have to speak, I'll say je ne parle pas français.
Mm-hmm.
No, can.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I understand that. Oh,
Mm.
but that is great. Yeah, I can help you because I want to speak. I think you are great. We need to recall the grammatical part and the conjugation, but I think you need more speaking part because the grammatical part you already remember them. So
Oh,
yeah,
yes, great. I agree. The grammar part, I don't really remember. I'm relearning that. I'm learning
we
it.
can recall it
Yeah. Okay.
again.
Okay.
I'm gonna say it recalling because
Okay.
I think you already know it. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So for today, I prepared a note. Wait. So since it's the beginning, I didn't know that you already learned French. Okay, so it's gonna be a recall. It's gonna be a recall, but conversational.
Okay.
It's gonna be a call. I think you already know. It's just the basics, but
Okay.
I want us to use it every day from today. It's just a greetings, introduction of yourself,
Okay.
and yeah, just some polite expression that I think you already know. But we're gonna say it together.